Yeah, real ugly right now. Let me change that. Hold up. Come on, man, hold up. It's not working right now. I'm trying to make it look better. But I know y'all been waiting to see it. This is it before the paint job. Yes, I am keeping the tailpiece off. I'm just weird like that. Alright, so I'm gonna start this. So this is a very budget build. Didn't take a whole lot. It still got the max ECU on here. Don't mind that. That's where the old gas tank fill up used to be. I'd probably close that off or put a stick over it or something. I don't know. Who cares? Whew, this thing need a serious paint job. And I'm saying that I usually don't care how a bike look, as long as it do what it needs to do. But yeah, we need a paint job, fellas and ladies. So let me talk a little bit about it. So before I get the plastics painted, I had to rig up all my mounts. And by the way, all this is Amazon stuff. So if it works, it works. If it don't work, oh well, we'll try something else. But it's something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I've never had a turbo ever in my life. So it's a lot of things that I'm doing, I'm learning. I know some basic stuff, but with this max ECU, you know, I'm definitely amateur with it. Plastics. This is, remind you, these are gonna get painted. Everything's gonna get painted. Oh, I'm missing the bolt. See, black people. Anyway, I made a little bracket from here to here. That was my mock-up at first. Had to make that fit on there. This right here, this pulls, so whenever you're running your engine, the oil goes from down there to your oil pressure sensor. So you gotta have a line that feeds into the turbo. That keeps the bearings oiled, all that stuff. But you gotta have something for that oil, somewhere for that oil to go at, which is that. That's running back around and it's coming up through here, which is a scavenger pump. It pulls the oil from out of the turbo back down and puts it back inside the motor. Again, I'm gonna get it painted, y'all. Just bear with the ugliness for now. I've been waiting to pull this thing out, and look, I ain't even finished. Look at that, I gotta put the other button on now. Anyway, over here I have a fuel pump. This, I had to custom make brackets right there going to the motor. Another bracket, where is that? Then you can't even see the other bracket, but it's behind it, holding on to this cover right here. Yeah, I looked up on Facebook and actually got it. So I mean, I don't know, it might look like it's more than, well, except for the paint. Yes, I know I need paint. I need paint, but I will say I am not a looks kind of guy. It wasn't a big deal, but I'm starting to learn looks do matter. So again, I'm sorry, y'all. I am sorry. We're getting painted. So if you can excuse the ugliness, bear with me. So yeah, mechanical pump. This thing with the mechanical pump, it allows a lot more fuel flow than like normal high volume pumps. Hey lady.
Hello.
What you doing?
Good.
Let's say what's up to everybody.
What's up, everybody?
It's my daughter. Damn, I forgot where I was. Okay, so I used to have my fuel pump sitting back here on a swing arm, and those high volume pumps are good for a lot of things, but for what I'm doing, it wouldn't have been enough pressure. I've been able to hold much pressure. For those of y'all who don't know, the Max ECU is Bluetooth, so you connect everything up and then you just get your tablet, run it off your tablet. I am running 16 volts with this. I think it'll go up to 21, but I'm not sure. I gotta look at the manual again. I had to upgrade the injectors. The lower injectors are still stock, so that is 2 separate fuel rails connected together as one. Shout out to Performance Welding. Man, I know I'm aggravating. I done been up there so much. And shout out to a friend of mine, Sleepy Chad, for helping me put all this stuff together, helping me map out how to do the air box, map out, you know, little things here and there. It was in that shop day and night, and I'm up there Performance Welding in the morning all day, or until they get done welding little pieces and stuff. I need to get an oil catch can. That's what I need. I ain't did that yet. So with my fuel system, you got this, my fuel tank, my gas tank. It comes out down there. What the hell? Oh man, I don't know how that happened. Anyway, the fuel comes out of there, falls down on top of the pump, comes down, goes out straight into the rail, well, the first rail. Comes in the first rail, goes out, goes up to the second rail, comes out, fuel pressure sensor. So if I'm going down the street, I'll be able to know if I lost fuel pressure during a run or if something crazy happened. Look at the fuel pressure. Running out of here, straight back to the fuel pressure regulator, which then comes out, goes back in the tank. What else we got? I do not know kind of boost I'm running. I don't know none of that stuff. I think I got a 4 or 5 pound spring in there right now to test out and get the hang of it and stuff, and then we'll go from there. I got to take baby steps, so I'm gonna try to bring y'all along for the ride when I go to testing. There it is. Gas tank getting painted. Tire hugger might get painted. The side, all the gray getting painted. The front, both wheels. I haven't figured out the color for both wheels yet. And this side. In the middle right there, all that's gonna be blacked out, just like my other plastics right here. Yeah, there she go. The world's first 1300cc Gsxr 1000 turbo. Y'all stay tuned, man. Come along for the ride. Oh, hold up. One more thing. Big shout out to TPS5. He does have a YouTube channel. He has a turbo Gsxr 1000. If y'all have not seen him, go over there and check him out. He gets real technical with this stuff, man. I am on 16 volts. And that's thanks to him, because he showed me something I would have never thought about doing with the battery and stuff on this bike. Thank you TPS5. Thank you Performance Welding. Thank you Chad, Sleepy, Jordan, Trips. Who else had a hand in? Shoot, man, I don't know. Who else had it, man? Look, if I forgot you, whoever else had a hand in it, I apologize. I'm sorry. I can't. My brain ain't working right now. Oh snap! Hold on. I know y'all want to hear what it sounds like. I hope I got some gas in here. So right now I'm on pump gas still, just regular 80, 89, 87, one on. I don't want to waste no fuel right now in testing. I'm in trial and error. Might had to catch oil leaks, gas leaks, and all that stuff. I don't want to waste the race gas. I don't want to waste the fuel, should I say? Again, it's getting painted. Who you pointing at?
You.
You pointing at me?
Yes.
Oh, it's Minnie pointing at me.
Yes.
Yeah. We connected. All right, we're connected. Yeah, I ran out of the gas. There she is, there she is. So hopefully next time you see it, depending on the paint guy, everything should be one color or two or whatever. Alright. Thank y'all. You gonna tell them to like and subscribe?
Like and subscribe.
Ah.
Gang! Gang!